Got dust everywhere since last time. It's all settled now. It's like a snowstorm. Okay, so a little bit of a conclusion from the last video when I was working on this side panel of the bus here. Managed to get a lot of the filler off from this central section where it looks to me as if it's been almost pushed in. It's not creased or anything, it's just been pushed inwards. There's also a small indentation on that corner section there, which shouldn't be too bad to get out. But any advice from the bodywork professionals out there would be appreciated. And being optimistic, apart from that, it doesn't look too bad. But I'll take you around the other side and you'll be able to see the damage a little bit more. Right, inside the bus now, so hopefully you'll be able to see this. I've got a straight edge and you'll be able to see the extent of it. So just go from that edge there. Okay. So that brace bar, pretty straight. Bottom brace bar, far from it. So we know that is pretty much bowed in that central section there. So I've just marked out a few spot welds, marked with my brown pen. There's only a few on there, evenly spaced out. Now I'm toying with the idea, I think the best idea at the moment is to remove that brace bar and somehow try and straighten it out. But I'm not too sure, for one, getting it off, and then I'm not too sure how easy it is to straighten out a channel, almost like a C channel section. Got a majority of the spot welds drilled out now, and that is pretty much where that panel naturally wants to sit without any brace on it, which probably does equal out to how much filler is on the other side. All I've got now is a couple of little spot welds on these small tabs right in that awkward little place there to get out before I can remove the brace bar. Now that brace bar's off, I just thought I'd have a little magnet test of where the filler is. And there we have it. So that's all filler. So I better cover everything up now, I reckon, and start getting it off. See if there's any more surprises.